Oh, I saw your question in the email here. Complete parts A through H. I didn't know which parts you wanted, so I'm going to work A through D for it, help you out with getting it started. So first thing to draw a scattered diagram. So I just zeroed in on the first order pair, 4, 9, and then they get larger as you go. So I'm looking at this first order pair here, counting by ones here. That's at 1, and so that we don't have one up here with an X value of 1, so I know it's not that one. Now this one, if we count over 1, 2, 3, 4, that is an X value of 4, but we got to be all the way up here at 9, so that's not it. And then for here we'd be counting by 3s, and so the first point should be over here somewhere. So this is the only one that could possibly be it. You count over 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you count by 3s on this axis, 3, 6, 9. So that would be 4, 9. So that's the only one that has 4, 9 on it. So I recognize that. Part B. Now this is college algebra. So I wrote down a couple of formulas here from college algebra using paint. Slope equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And here's the ordered pairs. One ordered pair is 4, 9, the other one's 9, 24. So you put the y's in the numerator, 24 minus 9. You put the x's in the denominator, 9 minus 4. That works out to be 3. In the find equation line, you use this one formula, y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1. So I use this ordered pair. I put in, I use this one. I put in 9 for y and 4 for x, and we just found the slope to be 3. And I distribute this 3. This is 3x minus 12, and I add 9 each side, and I get y equals 3x minus 3. So I just put a 3 there and a minus 3 there. Then again, we got to pick out the correct graph here, and I just look for the one that matches there. So, that's this line here, graphed on top of our data scatter diagram. Now they want you to do determine the least squared regression line. They say by hand. I'll just use technology. And so you just come up here, you open this in StatCrunch, and so it brings in the data. Let's see, we go stat and regression, and we want simple linear. We select where our data is coming from, the X and Y columns, and I think that's all we need to do here. Some of them may ask for predictions, but this one's not so far. And so right here we have it. So the slope would be 3.0465. That would go here. The y-intercept would be negative 3.697. Well, if we round up, that'd be an 8. That would go here. You can see that's not real far off from what we have here. Or you can see the equation of the line is here, or it gives you the information down here. And you just fill in those two boxes. Here to actually give you the least squared, the scatter diagram with the least squared regression line on it. Hope this helps.